Nkabo to you and thank you again for joining me today. This is Nakrio News, na Star Television, Channel 21. But first, the main point them. Children Assurance Program Salon don launch Library and Resource Center na Jue Village for help improve the reading culture of school picking them.
I think this thing that happened today is a remarkable achievement by the young people of the community, and we must make sure this replicates everywhere in the Western
The Institute for Governance Reform IGR progress report on the new direction say the government still know they do better for improve the economy, health, infrastructure, energy and job creation.
DSL don't begin, at least you don't get two, we don't begin deal with. We save the open eyes on them, we don't call the managers, all the commercial banks.
That's not the main points them. The Institute for Governance Reform IGR Friday, April 12, 2019 launched a report with a title Progress Report on President Bill's 2018 Election Manifesto. The report aimed for create platform for make people get constructive dialogue, make the government do wetin they been promised for do na the economy, health, infrastructure, energy and job creation. Wilburn Charles, na chief economist na the Institute for Governance Reform, and he talked to Abdulrahman Kamara.
We don't do three of this kind. We don't go table, we don't do them. We say we deal with the minds, the million people. Then we don't care today and the fourth one we don't do. At least this alone, they create awareness, and not to that alone, we don't begin going on the media. We talk, we educate people there on terrorist financing and money laundering, and we hope for doing more. We all know, say the lawyers, they say they deal with different clients. They get coverage of people that will huge. So now that make we call them today for let we educate them, let them know how they for do their dealings with customers. Not just customers because of customers' sake. Then you search the background, whether the money where they come with, they are clean money. Then the real estate people there, this PNT we don't identify them as high risk people there also. So we don't see now who say people that they bypass banks, that they try for use them money where they don't get, the dirty money they don't get. Before they can't go to a bank, we will suspect them so that they decide for invest in buildings. So that make we call these two group of people that together for now we give them the awareness for say they have to open their eyes well to make sure for say they're able for deal with the clients and do pure search. And then we don't begin first for. We don't sign MOU with NRA, we don't sign MOU with anti-corruption. We just want to get one case. We just want to get one case. We not say the one that we don't happen before we know administration can name a director. But this one we don't cancel, we'll catch you one. Would they really prosecute you? Will not say we'll see the end of it. Let them know say money laundering. Now we come with office stay for chase out and terrorist financing. We will also try for check the bank step. We have to really DSL don't begin. At least you don't get two. We don't begin deal with. We save the open eyes on them. We don't call the managers, all the commercial banks.
The Jue community for the first time don't get one resource center and library for make school picking them. Now Jue and other community around the western area rural districts get access to book them and other resource material for their studies. According to the Children Assurance Program Salon, they build a library and resource center for improve the reading culture of picking them. Andrew Bestman put this report together.
The Children Assurance Program Salon don launch library and resource center na Jue Village for help improve the reading culture of school picking them. During the ceremony, the executive director for the organization, Bemba Usman Sharif, say the library and the resource center go make the picking them na Jue and other community get access to book them where them go use na school and not only go improve their reading culture but same way so upgrade the standard of education na the community them way na Kosotong, Hastings, Grafton and Jue community. He continues say them go make other community them na the western area rural district benefits from the project.
Yes, the launching of this library today is to promote access to education for children in this part of the country, and this library facility will serve the Jue community, consultant, hastings and drafting to promote education and complement the free quality education of the president.
One member na the organization, wait up na the United Kingdom, Abubakar Aliyu Patso, and the Deputy Chief Librarian, Musa Masare, say they're glad for the support where the organization provide for make the project successful.
The launching is very, very exciting, and I'm very, very happy about it because this is just the beginning. And I think this thing that happened today is a remarkable achievement by the young people of the community, and we must make sure this replicates everywhere in the Western area rural district.
It's a laudable initiative by CAP. We appreciate them because we are in the business of library and information service to provide this sort of service to the nation and to the public. So having an organization that is trying to complement our responsibility and our effort, it's a laudable effort, and that's what we appreciate of them.
The village headman, Najui, Mohamed Albert Kuruma, tell thanks to the member them, na the Children Assurance Program, Salon, for the good initiative where they promote book learning na the community and the entire country. He promised say they will monitor so that they will use the book learning material for the right purpose and make sure say the center will continue for serve the picking them.
We want to appreciate them as a very young dynamic guys, and we get this thinking within the young community because we get too many educationists there, but the initiatives are not ever they come. And for let we see what they do so, not to Kalokalo something, not to ET, or so we just start them and a apple. It don't take them many years. Today, if God make them succeed at this point, we want to tell them thank you, and all the one way help them one way or the other, let God continue to provide for them.
The establishment of the library and resource center for the 4 communities them, Najui village, go help improve the reading culture of the picking them and upgrade the reading skill for make them able for do well na school. Mina and the best man with the report.
This is Creole News from Star Television. Continue to stay with me as we go for a short break.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get ready to welcome AfriCell's Unbeatable Data Bundle! Now introducing AfriCell's Unbeatable Data Bundles. To enjoy the Unbeatable Data Bundles from the fastest and most reliable data network in Sierra Leone,
AfriCell.
dial *113# and get up to 150% more data. Stay unbeatable. Stay with AfriCell. I'm unbeatable.
AfriCell. Now we network.
Thank you for continue for stay with me. Now an attempt for sport, and the Edmond Michael FC win their first match against Ramke 5-4. Now the President Julius Maada Bio inter-district football competition will begin at Bo Saturday, April 13. Hilton John get more.
And Cabo for today's sport news inside the Creole News. 32 teams that they compete inside President Julius Maada Bio competition. We don't begin over the weekend in the southern region of Bo. Edmond Michael Football Club play against Ramke football team. The 32 teams then benefit 250,000 leon and a jersey, also with 2 balls. The chief minister be there at the opening ceremony. Let's look at the highlights.
To take the kick off. There he goes. Thank you. I knew exactly. That is Kenya FC.
Two from the Deputy Minister of Finance and even from the Chairman and leader of the Sierra Leone People's Party that this tournament will be every year so that we will be able to see that we do this tournament in respect of the President, entire President.
We should have the distribution of jersey and ball and seed money to the teams. Why?
Well, really, for far too long, over 3 to 4 years, football don't die. And so many teams, for come up with them time tournament, for select a place, most of them don't get jersey. So we thought and fit say, we prepare a jersey, we give them ball, and we decide for give them a token so that any game where you play, you go receive 250,000. If you travel from one district to another, we'll give 750,000 for prepare you for.
We see get 2 saves. I feel as a goalkeeper. You will expect to get 2 saves?
Of course, yes.
I feel President Julius Maada Bio competition in progress.
Maybe I feel especially happy because I play a tournament for the Julius Maada Bio
and you don't qualify to the second stage. What next?
And I will say I will hard and work hard.
Well, I've been seeing football, that's what you can do. Yeah, we play the best at least for the or at the end of the game. So you just appreciate the results.
You will expect some loss?
No, I don't be expect that. They expect 50 anyway. But at least I don't say penalty at the lucky side.
When I be getting advantage on penalties and I give a blessing away, I be talent for you.
Well, like as I tell you before, football, that's all. It can happen at time the end of the day, then the game could change back to go the other way.
You happy for the competition?
Well, happy anyway for the matter.
Congratulations to the Edmond Michael Foundation football team and better luck next time to Ramke Football Club. So Edmond Michael Football Club don't qualify to the second phase in the ongoing competition. Now all that we get inside the KUs. Back to Idan at the studio.
That's now the KU News. Now all this we get for you today. Join me on Wednesday for more news updates. Till then, have a blessed day.